Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. If you haven't checked the previous ones, I'll put up the cards over here. Be sure to check them out. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon, and let's get started. I recently bought some book subscription boxes from the Big Book Box, and their anniversary box just got delivered to me. I will leave their link in the description box down below so that you can check them out if you want. So a bit about the Big Book Box is that this is a monthly book box subscription where you can buy 4 different type of boxes according to your budget. So there are the frappe box where you will get 1 book, then there is the cappuccino box with 2 books, and espresso with 3, and cafe mocha with 4 books. So all of these books are exclusive collector's edition books, and most of them are before they are even published. So these boxes do get a little time to reach you, but this is totally worth the wait. You will understand once I unbox this box. Alright, enough chit chat, so let's open the box. So I bought the cafe mocha box where I get 4 books, and the last book of this box, which is the American Dirt, is stuck with the UK publishers. So it is yet to arrive here, and as soon as I get the book, I will put up a vlog with it so that you guys are updated. So this is the first book. This is a hardcover one. It is In the House in the Dark of the Woods by Laird Hunt. So yeah, I will read the book, and I will obviously post a book review about this. Now let's open the box. As you can see, this box is huge and it is totally packed, and I still haven't received one of the books. This first one is Barefoot Sunshine, which is a magazine the Big Book Box publishes, and you can totally submit your writings or your articles, whatever, for this. So this is an interesting one because it will have something written by the normal readers like us, and I cannot wait to read this. And yeah, hopefully someday I will also submit some of my articles. Then we have this reading journal, which is named as Forever Reading. So here you can write down what your to read items are, and then your reviews about the books and everything. So this is basically a book journal, and this looks super interesting. So something like this is a precious gem to me because I usually keep a journal of my reading items, and obviously I'll keep it in this one now. Now this one, this Sisters Grimm is book of the month. So book of the month means that this book will be available in all the 4 boxes, and this cover is exclusive to TBB box. This is the original cover. You will get 2 bookmarks with this book. Look at this cute box. So this has the lapel pin of the month, which is The Witcher. I hope like by now everyone has watched the series, and this is Geralt from The Witcher. This one, this must be the enamel mug that they sent us. So well packed. So this mug has all the Grishaverse characters painted on it. And I have seen the photos, but I didn't realize that this mug is so glassy or so big. Look at this. Then we have a Disney deck of cards here. I'm trying to get them all out. You can totally play cards with this. Then we have a letter from the Sisters Grimm writer. I will read this, and I have read the review of other readers, and they are saying that this is super personal, so I cannot wait to read this. Okay, next we have the second book of the box, which is Monsters. So this is also a hardcover book. Let me show you the inside. Then we have the last book. Actually not the last, this is last but not the least, because I am yet to receive the American Dirt. So this is A Long Petal of the Sea. This is again another hardcover book. Next we have some stickers here and some jewelry. Let me open for you. So this is exactly what like I also think about myself. Let me know if you agree with me, if you are also a book lover. Next we have some cards and another bookmark based on the Sisters Grimm. Next we have the newsletter from the Big Book Box, and it is the Book Buzz, and this is so informative. Like anyone who is a book lover, they would love this. And the last item here is if you remember this comic Peanuts, this is a illustrated one. So this is a collector's edition, like it is meant to hang up on your wall, or like, yeah, if you have any suitable spot you can hang up in there. So this is the collector's edition, so I'll definitely keep it, and I will again decorate my room with it and show you a picture of the same in my Instagram account. And yeah, that's it finally, except the American Dirt, everything is here. I absolutely love the box also. So that's it today folks. Hopefully you have enjoyed this as much as I have enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section below like what you think about this box, and like if you are interested to try out this one, and also if you have any queries. I would love to chat with you all, and do follow me in my social media handles. I will put a close-up photos of everything that I have found here in my Instagram account. Also follow us in our Telegram channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming, and don't forget to subscribe to the Bohemian Dreamer, like, comment and share. See you in the next video. Bye.